for it to launch. You're live.
Okay, we're live, and we'll wait a second or so, and we'll bring an audience on here today, folks. And we're in Taber, Alberta. Taber, Alberta, on the side of the highway here. This is highway number 3, I think, eh?
Yes.
To Medicine Hat. And it was kind of nice because when you see great people on the side of the road, you got to stop and you got to do a live video. So let me tell you something. Who are we with today? 2PP?
T-O-P.
Oh, T-O-P-P-P. Sorry, I thought you had 2
CanadaMarches, CanadaMarches.ca. That's the website.
CanadaMarches.ca. Marches.
Yeah.
See, I'm glad you're here because I can't talk. I'm just a truck driver. So CanadaMarches.ca.
That's right.
And there's a Facebook page they can go to,
Yes.
or what's
It's all linked. So if you go to CanadaMarches.ca, you're going to find a link to all of our social media on the YouTube channel, James Topp, where we update daily with regards to our progress.
perfect? And tell the folks where you're headed.
We are headed to Ottawa. I am James Topp. I am the founder of CanadaMarches.ca. I have with me Jeremy and Dan. We're on our way. We're going to Ottawa because we got a problem with the way things are done these days. And I personally have been placed on leave without pay from my public servant job with RCMP, and I'm also in the process of being released from the Canadian Armed Forces under item 5F, and I have a problem with that. So we're going to go talk to some folks in Ottawa about it.
That sounds like a great idea. And where have you marched from so far?
Vancouver, BC.
Vancouver, BC to here in Alberta. Do you know how many miles that is you've gone?
About 1,200.
1,200
Kilometers.
miles.
Kilometers.
Oh, 1,200 kilometers. I have enough trouble trying to walk from the truck into the truck stop. And have these gentlemen joined all the way along the way? And these gentlemen have done 1,200 kilometers. And they're not just doing it for them. They're doing it for you out there. They're doing it for everybody. You're doing it for Canada. You're doing it for the United States. And you're doing it for the world. Because every time you stand up and you stand up for our rights and against mandates and can I use the word dictatorship? You're standing up for the world. You're standing up, you're taking a stand. I want to thank you for your service and continued service in the fact you're doing this. And for anybody who just came on, do you want to say the website one more time so
Yes.
they're very clear?
Canada Marches, one word, and when I say marches, I mean marches.ca, one word, .ca, and then from there you'll find links to our social media pages, and you'll also be able to go to the YouTube channel, James Topp.
And can they support you when they go to those pages?
100%. We got a merchandise page that we just started up, so you can buy a t-shirt if you wish. There's also a giftcard.ca link. We're not really set up for Give Set Go because we recognize that folks are a little bit they're a little bit sensitive and fearful of using those platforms, but we're like the support in the way that fella just passed by, honk, hey, you want to get out like you did and say hello, that's always welcome.
And where's your next stop? Where could people come see you if they want to give you a gift or help or
Well,
support?
we have a GPS live link. We got a spot tracker on my backpack here, and you can go to the Canada Marches website, hit the GPS live link, and then it'll show you exactly where we are from about 8 till 6 every day. Today we're going to try to get as close as we can to Bow Island, and then we're going to spend the night at a hotel in Bow Island.
That sounds fantastic. So folks, you can go on the site, you can find it where he is. He's going right through to Ottawa. And I would recommend people come out and see them. People come out and welcome them. You think we're going to to the Freedom Camp in Manitoba?
Well, I'm thinking probably another 3 to 5 weeks.
3 to 5 weeks in Manitoba. Yeah, so Walter, if you're on, Walter has the Freedom Camp. It'd be great to have you out at the Freedom Camp and greet people and stuff like that. I got to thank you again. I'll tell you, you're doing something I couldn't do. No, I can't even march a mile. So everybody, we really want to thank these gentlemen for the service they're doing for Canada, North America, and the world. And the best way to do it is through support. If you can't get out, you can just go to a great website like his.
CanadaMarches.ca.
You notice how I like to say it 3 or 4 times, because then I can even say CanadaMarches.ca. And folks, you see them on the side of the road, go over safely and say hello, shake their hands, and let's give our support. This is how change happens, is from people like this. So when I end a video, I put up my thumbs and say keep on trucking. Do you guys want to do that with me? I'll do 1, 2, 3, and we'll go keep on trucking. Everything we bought, a dedicated trucker bought. But if you love your freedom, you thank gentlemen like this. 1, 2, 3, keep on trucking.